Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the nerdy poop from Silly Poo. So let's get started. To draw this silly squishy, let's first start by drawing a curve. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve that goes across for the top of the poop. So right here, we're just going to bring it all the way across. And about this area, I'm just going to round it off and bring it down. Give it a little curve and then come out. So we're just basically drawing the top dollop. So we have that shape in. Now let's start to build the poop right here. So we're going to start with another curve coming down. And it's going to get wider as we come down. So let's do the same thing on this side. So our goal is just to try to make this as even as possible. So I'm going to drag a point across, approximate, say about right here. And end it right there. And so let's keep going. We have 2 more layers to go. So we're getting wider. And same thing here. So once again, drag a point across. If you're drawing big like I am, so that's just a bit easier to see. And last one. Oops. And connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. Okay, so we've built our mound. Now let's come in here and make it a little silly nerd. So right here in the top area, in this little dollop part, in this right here, I'm going to start with a little oval. And so that's the center of our bow, and I'm going to bring out a curve and another curve. So we're just using this as our bow shape right here. And then the other side. So it's kind of like drawing a little kidney bean and bring it right back in. And then you can come in here if you like and draw 2 little curves for some detail. So we have the bow in, and so then in this area right here is where the glasses and the eyes, everything's going to be. So just imagine there's this curve right here, but I'm going to come about right here in the center. Find this area, and I'm just going to draw a curve. And I'm going to draw a bottom curve right here. So this is the bridge for our glasses. Starting right there in the center, and then let's bring this out for our glasses all the way across, and then just round it off. Same thing on the other side. From there, let's go ahead and draw a big curve at the bottom to finish off the glasses. So nice round curve, and we're just going to bring it all the way back to there. So same thing on this side. And connect. And so let's come in here and we're going to start to draw this following the outside. So frame the glasses. And same thing here. So just follow your outside. There. And right in this area, let's connect this part and this part. Because we need to put the tape right here, right? For the nerdy glasses. Okay, so then from there, let's come in this area towards the center a little bit more. I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. And since I'm drawing big enough, I think I can make them draw so cute eyes. So, but if you're drawing kind of small, you can just make this like an oval or just a circle. So let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. 2 small circles for highlights. and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So I want to thank you cuties for loving all these silly poops that I've been drawing lately, and thank you for encouraging me to draw more for you. So definitely let me know in the comments below what other kinds of poop squishies you would like me to draw for you. And the lines at the bottom. And let's come up here and we're going to draw some lashes. So just draw like 2 and 2 on that side. And so then let's come above the glasses, and about this area I'm just going to draw a soft curve that kind of slopes down a little bit and thicken it up. So same thing right here, just a slight slope and thicken it up. And so now my favorite part is to draw the braces. It's the silly braces right here. So let's give her a happy smile. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve to connect. And then I'm going to thicken this smile up. And then right in the center, I'm going to very lightly draw a line. And then draw some squares to make it look like braces right on the line. There. And then now we can go ahead and complete the layers right here. So just imagine this was going through. So about right here, just going to lightly draw these curves to finish it off. And one right here. There, so now I have all my layers in, and of course let's add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this silly nerdy poop turned out, and that I've inspired you to draw it as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.